Ooh, it's freezing. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining. Today we're just going to discuss a bit as to why motovlog. Is it worth you doing? Is it something you wanna do? You wanna get into, and you're wondering where to start? What gear do you need? Because it's all unanswered questions unless you go onto a forum and browse for hours of chat and debate. I'll tell you why I got into it. Is it worth it? If that interests you, stick around, we'll get into it. See you in a minute. So, motovlogging. You want to get into motovlogging. Or maybe you don't. Maybe you're just interested in if it's something that is good to do, whatever. I don't know. Whatever your reasons, welcome. Thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed already, please feel free to. Or don't. Content isn't as good as most of the stuff out there, but it's there. So I got into motovlogging basically for a couple of reasons. I love motorbikes, I love talking about motorbikes. I'm not necessarily the best at coming across on a camera, which, you know, is fine. It's something I thought I could just work on, which I am. And, you know, my mates have said to me before, I don't know, you speak to yourself in a helmet, it's a bit weird. And yeah, totally it's strange. First time I did it, I felt really ridiculous, which is kind of strange because some people make it look so natural. Especially the established motovlogging guys. It is a bit strange at first, but give it a go. Some of the things you'll need for a motovlog setup, you'll need obviously a camera. There's a few that are out there, but I went with a GoPro just because GoPro seems to be the most popular, and it's the one that everyone has accessories for, and is the most widely available, so it made sense. I bought a brand new one at the time, but you don't necessarily need a brand new one. You can have, I think, up to the Hero 4, or Hero 4 onwards is pretty good enough, to be honest. I have the 10, and it's pretty good. They can be a bit annoying, but, you know, overall the video quality is good. I bought a external mic, which you will need. I'll link all this stuff down in the description. I also bought the medium mod for my GoPro. The medium mod is like a thing that wraps around your GoPro. It's like an extension, and it has various other. It allows for you to plug in an external microphone rather than needing an adapter, because you can't plug an external mic straight into the GoPro without the medium mod. You have to get an adapter. So bear that in mind. I'll link all this stuff down below as well, so you can have it. You'll also need a mount, depending on where you want to mount your GoPro. I wanted to mount mine on the chin, so you get like a one-on-one view. So you pretty much get the closest thing to me, which is what I like. That was weird. You will need to think about how you're going to edit your videos. Now, I didn't want to invest initially, especially for something for a hobby. It's quite expensive to start off. GoPros aren't cheap, laptops aren't cheap, but most of us probably have a laptop. I didn't. My laptop was ancient. So yeah, you'll need to think about how you're going to edit the video. I actually managed to edit quite a few videos on GoPro's own app, which was GoPro Quick, which worked pretty well actually for a while. It was only when I bought a Mac, a second-hand Mac, just to do videos, because it was just easier in the end, and I thought it's something I'm going to do for a little while, so it's worth the investment. And yeah, the Mac made the video quality better and made the editing process a lot easier. So bear in mind, if you want to just give it a go, I would suggest using the app, because a subscription to the app is about 50 quid for a year. And it'll give you an idea if you think it's something that you want to do. It is a bit of a ball ache to get everything set up. It's not as easy if you have a laptop, but if you do have a laptop, then your only real decision is going to be what software you're going to use to edit your videos. And then you're pretty much ready to go. And there's plenty of videos out there with what settings people use. T41 did a really good video on his motovlog setup settings, and I initially copied that just to get going, and then I sort of fiddled it with my own sort of thing. Well, I fiddled around with it to make it suit yourself. For example, I think he uses super smooth on the GoPro, so the GoPro really smooths out your ride. But I noticed when I was looking left and right, the GoPro was smoothing out so much that basically I wouldn't move, and that's kind of, I didn't want that. I wanted sort of like more of a, you know, you look where I look kind of view, not just this super smoothness. But yeah, you're pretty much, after that, you're pretty much ready to go. Once you mount all your GoPro on your helmet, and you mount the mic inside your helmet as well, that's a real issue. The mic placement in your helmet, it's a really tricky one. One thing you definitely 100% will need, and you're welcome for this advice, is a dead cat. Get a dead cat for your microphone. It's a fluffy little thing which essentially gets rid of wind noise. Well, it doesn't get rid of it completely, but it does a great job of getting rid of most of it. So get a dead cat. And then you pretty much just got to go out there and do a video and think of some subjects, which is actually quite difficult. I thought, you know, thinking of videos would be really easy, but it's not. It's not easy. Oh my god, it's cold. Join me on a March day. It's a Sunday. I don't know what the date is. It's like March, early March. It's bloody freezing. I did wish I had heated grips or heated gloves. You have to invest in some next year. But yeah, my initial reason to motovlog was to, you know, just vent, talk my thoughts. And I thought if I experience anything from this, like new experiences, meet new people, then that's a complete positive. Are they going for a knee down here? Let's see. He's thinking about it. Yeah, he is. Let's go for a knee down. Knee down. And yeah, I think it's a really good place just to vent and like talk your thoughts. I mean, old Baron von Grumble does videos on mental health. I think that's really good, although they're not very, I don't think they're a very popular subject, which is a shame. I think a lot of people should probably have a look. Damn, F1 car there. I wish I could put on my cruise control so I can warm my hand up right now.
Unfortunately guys, my GoPro died there, so I missed all of my outro, but never mind. Hopefully you found the video interesting and it helped you out if you are thinking about doing this. If there's anything else I can let you know, please feel free to comment down below. Smash the sub and the like button, it will really help me out. Thanks very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.